Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can order cash card on Cash App account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First, you have to log into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account from the home page itself, you have to tap on the card icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. And as you tap on it, you'll be directed to the cash card, and right on this page you have to tap on get free cash card, which is right in center. And once you tap on it, next interface will be directed to a list of cards, and from here you'll be able to select the card style that you want. And as you're done selecting the card, you can see right at the bottom you'll have two different options. So right on this page you have to tap on personalized card. So in this page you have to enter the billing address or the location, and once you're done entering it, tap on next. So in order to confirm your identity, you'll be asked to enter your first and the last name that is associated with your Cash App account, and once you're done, tap on next. And after that you'll be directed to the details about your cash card, so you can go through it. And once you've gone through it, tap on continue in the bottom left corner. So once again, for the confirmation, you have to enter the PIN that is associated with the Cash App account, and once you're done confirming, you'll be notified that you've confirmed the order, and then tap on done. So then on the last interface you'll be able to see the sample of your card, and after that all you have to do is wait patiently until the card arrives. So that is how you can order cash card on your Cash App account. That was all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.